Hey animals, welcome back. So today we'll discuss about null statements. So using null, here there are two departments, teachers and departments. The school includes many departments. Most teachers work exclusively for a single department. Some teachers have no department. So we have to find these things. Okay. The first one is list the teachers who have null for their department. So here they also given the example why we can't use equal to symbol. You might think that the phrase department equal to null would work here, but it doesn't. You can use the phrase department is null. So you have to use is null in order to execute the query. So select. So the question is about is the teachers who have null for their department. Let's go to a department. There are two teachers. Their names respectively Spygrain and Dedian. What kind of names? So the column name is name. So select a name from what's the table name? Teacher. Where? So they mentioned department, right? We'll go to name. So the column name is DEPT. So we are selecting name from teacher where department is null. Let's submit it. Yeah, we got it right. Second one. Note the inner join misses the teachers with no department and the departments with no teacher. Select teacher.name department.name from teacher inner join department on teacher.department equal department dot. Let's submit what's it doing. They already mentioned the right answer, right? Here they are selecting name from teacher table and name from department table. Okay. So the department table name includes computing, design and engineering, whereas the teacher table name includes teachers' names. So from there, from teacher table, they're joining department on department.id. So here there is id in teacher table. So we are joining this id with department.id in order to get the respective subject of which they are teaching. So this name includes teacher name and this name includes their subject what they are teaching. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe.